is hilarious. Dude, as you can see, Minnesota is all lined up on the blue line doing sellies every time one of their names is called. Not every day you see a team who does this.
Alright, and what is up, guys? We are back. HHCL Minnesota Wild versus, or at Carolina Hurricanes. And I'm going for Minnesota Wild. So
Yes, we're both rooting for Minnesota because Carolina sucks.
I was on Carolina, but then I didn't even play one game.
Yep,
stupid.
and you got traded to my team.
And then I only played one game for them, and yeah.
Yep, because we all suck. And sir is, oh, I like that jersey, Mia for life.
My God.
Not something you see every day. The Minnesota group, we're all standing on the blue line doing sellies when their names are called.
Yep.
Not something teams usually do, especially people who are all staffs. Usually they would sit there AFK the entire time. Line 1 for Minnesota is Ryguy, Foss, and Ely.
Oh, God.
Oh, big surprise! Moist is not on. I'm killing myself.
Oh, my God. And you won't be seeing any more of him.
Except for when I jump off this cliff.
Oh, rip.
Okay, who made this stadium? Because it's just a bunch of, like, Google images. Legendary Joshy.
Alright, you'll be the main commentator, right? Because, yeah.
Who, Eel?
No, you. You be the main commentator, right?
Okay.
Okay, baby.
And, oh, Minnesota has it on a break. Fossman could score. Oh, hits off the post. And Ely brings it down. Joshy has the puck. Ooh, big check by Joshy. Surprised that wasn't a pen. Ely checks straight back. Ooh, they got a 2-on-1 chance. Oh, Joshy gets back in time. Ooh, the Z is left open. Pass to the Z. Oh, Ryguy hits it, and it gets off the blocker and over the glass. K2 Smoker will be taking the face-off for Carolina, and Fossman for Minnesota. And Joshy has the puck, bringing it up now. Ooh, he's oh, checked by Ryguy. Nice check to stop the break. It's a struggle for the puck. Who's gonna come out with it? We're still fighting. Ooh, Fossman breaks loose. It's a 2-on-1 coming down. Ooh, he breaks fast free. Oh, and he's stopped by Firestorm. Ooh, Ely. Ely picks it back up. Checked by Joshy. The Carolina defense swarms him. Firestorm dekes past. Shoots. Oh, and it's poked out by the goalie. And now the puck is stuck in midair, so they're going to have to reset it for face-off. Oh, and there's a line change. Moist Cluckerduck is put on with Bruins 26. And, oh, I thought there was going to be a rebound opportunity for Carolina. Moist has it. Gets checked by Firestorm. Bruins picks up the puck, clears it down. Oh, and there's offsides called on Ryguy. And as you can see, the Carolina team sure is staying with Minnesota at the moment. Which is quite a surprise despite the amount of players they have and the fact that Minnesota is probably the better team in this one. Bruins picks up the puck. Oh, that could be an easy goal. Oh, the goalie swarms over the puck. Firestorm goes off. And we have Lambent Mist comes on for Firestorm. And MJ came on for Rye Guy. Another... Oh, the puck was frozen. Carolina really is doing well staying with Minnesota so far. Mist has this now. Gets past Moist. Oh, a pass inside barely missed by Lucid Juice. Ooh, Sibo almost it hit off his skate and went just wide of the post. Ooh, and now an easy chance for 1T. Great check by Moist Cluckerduck. Carolina is having many chances to score right here. And Lucid Juice call it for offsides. There will be a stop to play. And now, MJ, oh, gives Joshy an open breakaway. Joshy shoots, he scores!
Oh! No, it's good.
Yes.
Now the score is 1-0 Carolina. Will Carolina make the upset? We will never know. No, just kidding. Actually, we will know. Fluffy, what do you think about that goal and how it happened? Fluffy? Seems like we lost him. Oh, okay. Wow. What a turnover for Carolina. That was a giveaway from Minnesota, so. Fossman has it. Bringing it up. Dangles. Ooh! Goes for 1T. Blocked. Be right back, guys.
They are okay. Rye Guy, Foss, and Moist is the line on right now for Minnesota. Carolina just picked up some more players. They just joined the game. K2 has it. Is getting stormed by Foss and Rye. Rye clears it up straight to Moist. Moist has a chance. Joshy gets defense.
Ooh!
Ooh, Rye Guy. It's a big check to Joshy. I'm surprised that was a pen. As you can see, I am in my outfit for nothing. My top hat. Black. Definitely black. NYY2 has come to staff this game, I think. He looked just like me, just white. Twins. Well, she's gonna be like, I'm gonna friend Fluffy now.
Rip.
And there's a pass up. That could... Oh, Rod gets... Oh, cleared straight up. Foss could get this. Foss checks it. Nice check to get the puck coming around. E-tip missed. Ooh. Barely checked by Lambert. Miss. Miss has the puck, bringing it up now. Ooh, Joshy for once he scores!
Joshy, second goal of the game. Sweet, sweet. Oh my god.
And that is Joshy's second goal this game. Joshy is really bringing Carolina far after the legendary Fluffy, which is me, decided to trade him away. Now I'm regretting this.
Oh my god.
Now Minnesota will definitely not take me next season once they hear that I am the one that gave Joshy Carolina.
Rip.
So rip my career.
Pretty much.
Bruin seemed like he had Joshy locked down, but Joshy got that lucky E-tip.
Indeed.
And now I think I'm just gonna eat this crow that's sitting on Sir's shoulder.
And he's dead. Oh my god.
Okay, there's a random kid here named 54 an hour. Expecting this match, we have two fans, NYI2 and 54 an hour. Thank you for taking up the seats here at this arena. As you can see, there are many seats that are not taken, as none of the Carolina fans care about the team. Ooh, another E-tip possibility! Oh my! Carolina is taking control of this game. Especially it helps a lot with the being at home factor. Ooh, Lucid, oh. Got past Ely. Couldn't get past Sibbo. Firestorm's going to pick up the puck. Gets checked by Sibbo. Ooh, Sibbo goes down hard to the ice. Sibbo is just taking a beating out there. Now MJ clears it out of the zone for Minnesota and get hopefully regrouped. Oh, Ely gets it. Ely with a nice rush there to get the puck. Oh, Carolina clears it. Oh, could this be an incoming glitch goal? Oh, I thought it was going to be a warning right there for them. Ooh, as you can see, the tape-to-tape passing by Minnesota right here. Oh, well, it was looking good.
Deflected, it looked like. Good clear by Carolina. Now Lucid pressuring. Hits the goal. Fossman goes. Tries
Ooh,
to
big
angle.
deke.
Looking for the E. Goes for a shot. Delays, and he goes wide. Moist going
Now
for
Foss
that
is
Z.
getting...
At the point. Clears it. Moist going back. Will be an icing on the Carolina Hurricanes.
What do you think about this game so far, sir?
Definitely it looks like an upset. I don't know if Carolina will win this or not, or keep the shutout. Still, good.
I think Minnesota's toying with them.
Indeed. Now, Minnesota
And
will be on the
that'll be a
power play.
penalty.
52%. Rip.
Carolina for sure. Those are the pens that you just hate the most.
Alright, I'll be right back.
Fossman. K2 has it. Oh! Lembent missed, clears it out of the zone. Oh, off the post! Man gets it back. Brings it down. Tries a shot, misses. Lembent miss has a chance now. Oh, denied by the goalie. He went for the fake shot. Easy way out.
Now we'll
And
be
Ely
playing,
has been penalized now.
so now we're going to be doing some 2-on-2 hockey.
K2 is taking a face off against Bruins. 2v2
K-
for Carolina will be K2 and Lambent, and for Minnesota, Ragai and Bruins. Bruins gets the puck. Tries to dangle around. Ooh! Pass to E-tip! Oh! Just to the left, to the right of Ragai's stick.
Missed going.
And now Carolina
Dangle.
gets him out of the box.
Scores!
Oh! Big dangle!
What a goal by Lambent. Misses. What a goal.
Carolina! The upset is very real right now. Miss just dangles.
Wow, what a goal. Could have
As you
ended
can see,
terribly.
it went just to the right of Ragai's stick. Lambent dangles out Bruins. Has
Woo!
been going one way and does a snipe.
What a goal. Obviously, Minnesota not playing at their peak performance this game. Little unexpected for
Lambent-
Carolina. So,
What was Lambent Mist's old name?
Lambent Lions.
Oh. Joshy has gone AFK for Carolina. Seeming as if they will need him. And we have added another fan. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, Stevie. Or Stevie. Let's just forget about him.
Firestorm gone.
And now Firestorm.
Loses it.
Ooh, leaves Ely wide open. I had noticed that.
No, misses the check.
Now it looks
2
like
on 0.
an easy
He
goal.
scores!
He scores!
Wow. My God. Alright, Minnesota on the board. Late in the second period.
With 23 seconds left, it must be LeBron James confirmed.
Indeed, indeed it is.
Ely goes for the fake shot, trying to just get his team hopes back on this game. As you can see, great vision by Sibbo to find Ely, and Ely just dangles Thunder. Thought he was, oh, it was a 5-hole. I thought he faked way too early to get the goal. But he did it. Okay, let's just ignore what Fluffy just said in the chat, because that was not the right thing.
I will be right back.
Okay. do, do, do. One minute. I will get back to commentating in a second. And now, here we're back. Fossman is trying to get the puck up there. And that'll be the end of the second period.
Remember what you used to say? You're all like, thanks!
I was like, thanks!
Yeah, pretty much. That was funny. Back then. Oh. Oh, Jesus. Oh my god.
And the fans are chanting for the Wild. Because basically the only fans here for the Wild, because Carolina Hurricanes fan base is not that good. Ooh, K2 picks it up. This could be a good scoring chance.
Oh!
Passes it. Oh, big check by Rye Guy to get him out from the E-tip. Ooh, Rye Guy. Ooh, it looks like he's going to take this on the PK. Oh, go!
Rye Guy, hijack! No, I'm kidding.
Hijack! This isn't the boss! No,
Misses
hijack.
it. Oh,
Fluffy
no!
Gets checked.
Hijack, get there, hijack! No, I'm kidding. Foss misses it. Whoopin' 1T! Save!
Checks at the puck. Sir Lawrence Matthews gets a penalty.
And I'll be in there for
You're
the
like,
rest of the
gosh
game.
dang it, sir.
No, he's kidding. Oh my lord. Cleared all the way back.
Thomas forgot to take out Fluffy on the PK. Oh, now what are we gonna do?
Cleared. And I think that went out of play. Yes.
Okay, we got Hijack taking the face off and Fluffy on the right.
Oh my god. Freaking rip.
What are they gonna do here? You know, I bet you Minnesota's gonna score because we're calling them, you know, Season 5 Chicago people.
I think that was
big
Season 6.
clear by Carolina. I have no clue what they were doing there. I mean, they're on the power play. As you can see, Lucid is even saying whoops. Ooh, Moist gets flung off the face-off. It's a 3v1.
3v1, will they get their hijack? Hijack! He scores!
Scores!
Lucid Juice scores again! Making the game a 3-goal deficit for the Minnesota Wild.
Are you gonna post this on YouTube?
Yeah. You know I am.
Okay.
Alright.
You know it.
Oh my lord.
You need to teach me how to set up my OBS once I get back from this party.
Oh, that's right. I'll do that tonight, probably.
Okay. Because all the ports are so confusing.
Right.
Oh, and as you can see, Ely was just sticking
defeated. He felt so defeated.
No, it looked like Ely was like putting something on top of that puck. I mean, look at his crotch. He's like sticking his crotch on the puck right in here. Watch this. Let's watch Ely.
Oh no.
Oh dang it, we missed it. Well, I
got it on the
replay.
I got that on the replay. I'm looking at it right now.
Okay, we'll look at that a little later, and we'll just check what Ely was doing. Hey, if you want me to edit that, I can put a clip of that at the end of the video.
Oh my god. Yeah, I can do that too.
Yeah, you should just put a clip of Ely like zoomed in on him, just like humping the puck.
Rip. Yeah, I can do that actually.
That'd be hilarious.
Oh my god, just add the oh yeah. Oh
and
my
then you
god.
can add oh yeah.
Dude, I can legit do that.
Do it.
God. I will.
And we're just gonna keep this in the video where we talk about what we're gonna put it in.
Yeah, pretty much. Oh, on a break!
Yeah,
Hijack!
Ow!
Oh my god.
As you can see, the announcers are getting a little restless with themselves.
Oh,
Getting
god.
a little, let's just put in chat what the announcers are doing. They're just, getting that.
Oh my god. Yeah,
The announcers!
let's try and keep it PG, alright?
Okay.
Oh my god. Dude,
Let's just
freaking
edit
dead.
out that part where I said that in chat then.
Yeah. Oh, they're off. Big hit!
Ooh, Foss has a chance to stop!
Oh my god, what a goal! Minnesota down by 2. Will they score in 3 minutes?
Okay, Fluffy got a little out of hand there with the horn. Okay, I'm done.
Oh my god. Rip. Now
And
let's look at
Foss.
this MLG goal.
Foss about did the same thing that happened.
Right guy, straight out of friggin'
Minnesota
right guy.
restlessly just fought for that puck and he scores.
What a freaking goal.
I have a feeling Minnesota is definitely not done yet.
No, they're in it to win it. My god. Okay, too much. 5 minutes.
Too much.
Alright.
To be honest, I should put on my Minnesota thing while I'm commentating.
Yeah.
1 second.
On a breakaway. He almost scores! He goes!
What?
He scores!
Minnesota!
Fossman X! He dabs!
Dude!
What a goal!
Dude!
Oh my god, that
Oh,
dab!
man. Foss, within about 10 seconds of each shot, scores 2 goals.
Oh my gosh. What a good recovery by Ragai. Just straight up clear. And it's in!
That was a freaking... It's like a curved pass.
What a goal!
Oh, and it's Hunter's 97.
Oh my lord.
Do you remember him? Were you with us?
I think so.
Yeah, he freaking joined our game. He saw me in front of us, and he like wanted to play with us and crap.
Oh my god. Oh, Carolina! Looking for the 1T! Missed it! Just
Misses.
behind. Goes again!
Minnesota has made this
K2.
game 4-3.
K2. Oh no. Okay, stop.
Okay, sorry, malfunction with the goal horn there.
No, Foss, man. Getting there. Lambent. Clears it. Hey, wait. She's milking the clock. She clears it. Misses the pass to K2, and that will not be an icing.
Oh! Josh gets there just in time.
Joshy looking for a pass. Passes AZ. Misses it.
Oh, misses!
Now Lambent
Now
rushing to get back
Magnolia.
there. Clears it up. What a break. No. Off a skate. Fossman. He loses it.
Oh, he was going for the hat.
Joshy trying to go. Fossman. Now K2 loses it. Regains control. No! Moist on a breakaway! He loses it!
Oh! Moist is our main man here in this game.
Looking for a shot. Goes over the net.
It gets tipped and barely goes over the
Going
goal.
for his-
Surprisingly doesn't go in.
Loses it. K2
And
smoker
Fossman
clears
is
it.
just hogging it.
Milking the clock.
Foss really wants a goal.
He's looking
Foss
for
gonna
that
make
hat
the
trick.
hat be thrown. You know, if Foss actually does score a hattie, me and Sir are gonna both go bald.
Yeah.
I'm gonna
Oh.
shave my beard in this game.
He goes. He
And
goes
Sir's gonna
on
kill
a.
his crow.
He's dangling. He shoots. Just goes wide.
Oh. Oh, Moist!
Lucid
Moist!
clears it.
Almost picks up the puck.
That will be an
Now the
icing.
AC.
What a rush. What a rush by Max Salinas.
Salinas. Shh. Hush. Okay, 1 second. Let me just get on my Minnesota outfit. Ever since I was so brutally erupted by Foss scoring twice. Ooh, cleared up.
Good, clear. And that will be an icing. And it appears... Oh, no, not. Rip. Clears it.
Minnesota has 30 seconds to get a goal.
Will they clutch? Will they pull the goalie? We will never know.
Unless it happens, of course.
Oh, going!
Who picks up? Maximas dangles and passes it, expecting someone to be ready. What
Oh, what a save!
a save by the goalie!
Oh,
And
my.
I guarantee you, Minnesota is very mad right now.
They are.
Very, very mad.
They're just gonna look. Oh, no, he bends. That. Oh, no.
That should be it, folks. Foss has picked up a pen, I'm guessing, of rage.
Not looking good for Minnesota. Going, they got 20. Oh, no, on a break. What?
Oh, lagging?
Clear lag. If that's a goal, that... I don't know. I think he might have dropped. But,
oh, he DC'd.
Yep, there he goes. And that's the third period. Carolina wins by just 1 goal. A failed comeback for the Minnesota Wild. This is MHCL Network with a special edition of HHCL game. You all have a great and restful evening.
You like my outfit?
Yes.
Yeah, I know you do.
You all have a great rest of the evening.
No, don't.
See you later, and peace.